All right, so I want to talk about a trade today that not very proud of, but at the same time, I'm not very angry about. So today, this trade, as you can see, it is in my supply zone, and you might be thinking, oh yeah, in the supply zone, you do some puts, you did sell it, right? You would, you know, yeah, put puts, right? But today, I did a call. I longed the stock today just for a short while. Didn't go my favor. It happened. A small loss today of around 4%, I believe. And it's fine because as you can see, this is what I was looking at. These lines were for the key levels I put. See how it broke into the supply, right? I opened the market around here, 5-ish, 510-ish. See this big red candle. Okay, some selling power, and then I see that it could hit over here and right over here. So a couple of things that I should have kept in mind was this. Selling power in the supply zone probably means it'll probably go lower. If you see this, draw Fibonacci. And where I saw it as, that's going right into the retracement, the golden zone. Right? All this stuff, even the time and sells in level 2 over here on the side, showing major selling power. But guess what? I didn't listen. For some dumb reason, I didn't listen. And the one reason I didn't listen was because of the zone I drew on ES today. As you can see, when you look at it, it's a demand zone. You can see that demand zone is, oh yeah, okay, so I was looking for this break and retest. As you can see, I got over here at 530 over here, look like this. You see that, oh shit. You see that it breaks above, retest, it touches the demand, right, on ES, and it continues to consolidate. But the thing I didn't notice as well, it was just consolidating, kept getting rejected by this major key level right here, like once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times with the 2-minute candles, right? At this point, you should be like, all right, I'm gonna take out because it just can't break this little key level. And as you can see, my stop loss was below this red candle over here. It was a pretty far stop loss, but I was trying to make it all the way up back to the day high because I still had some room to move. And another thing I should have kept in mind, that the day low was the current day low before was all the way down here, 394, and it moved already $5. Usually the ATR is around 4, 5, 6, 7. So I was thinking that there could have been still room to go back up, but unfortunately it didn't. As you can see, I got in here, it went up, got rejected, went up again, got rejected, went up again, got rejected, and then a fat red candle. And then after that red candle, it touched my stop loss. I got out, a small loss, but after that, as you can see, it bounced back up and I could have made profit again. But throughout the day, it just went lower and lower, and that's what a supply does. Like, you could just see the higher highs, higher lows. No, the higher highs, lower highs. The lower highs, lower lows, yeah. And then it just kept going down for the rest of the day. So that's what I should have been doing. I think I have to improve on my supply and demand zones and creating them, because as you can see, today's one didn't really make sense because it didn't line up whatsoever. The ES wasn't really like, okay, it should go up to the upside. On SPY, it said, okay, it's in the supply, it should go down, which this one, SPY, was right. It was in the supply, and I should have got some puts in rather than calls. But thankfully, I didn't lose too much. Thankfully, I listened to my rules, my strict set of rules, and I followed book. I kept my cool. I lost the money that was, I was comfortable losing, so there's nothing wrong about it. And to be honest, it's one of my second loss in a while. We're still up. Still got a couple more stuff to do, but yeah, I just gotta improve on my supply and demand drawings, make sure that they line up together, and just look for reasons not to trade. That's probably one of the best things that I got taught in trading, was that if you think you're gonna trade, look for reasons why not to trade. Once you find those reasons, think to yourself, is this trade really worth it? Because most of the time, it isn't. But besides that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for sticking all the way to the end. If you guys have any questions, anything you want to say, leave in the comments down below. And like and subscribe always helps. And hopefully you guys have a good day. All right, I'm out. Peace.